In this video, I will show you how to sum or count cells based on background color without using VBA edit. So for that, I will use a name manager. So if I click on define a name, I will now create something like a function. I will call it background color. And I will use here function get.cell. And get.cell function gives you a lot of information about the cell. In this case, I just want to know my background color, and this has index 63, so I will just put here 63. I click OK, and it's ready. Now I can use background color, and it will give me number of the color that is in that cell. So if I copy this formula down, yellow color is number 6. So I can do the same thing for my table here, but I don't want to use exactly the background of this cell, but cell on the left. So for that, I will go to name manager again. I will create a new name, and here I will just add indirect function. I will use RC format of the formula, which means rows and columns, and I want to go one column to the left. So behind C, I will add square brackets, -1, close the bracket, apostrophe, then just 0 to close my indirect function, and I will name it background cell on the left. Okay, so I have this one ready, and I can use it like background cell on the left, and it will give me number of the color of the cell that is on the left next to this one. Now I can use my sum function and just simply sum this range based on criteria, which is background color number, and sum would be column value. I can copy down formula to get the yellow cells total, so 7,894, so it's matching. I can also count number of cells with that background, so I will use this range and my criteria from here. And that's it. Hope you like it.